Woke up today feeling like the main character in a midlife crisis movie. Except there is no background score, just the sound of my career related overthinking playing on loop. To make things worse, the weather decided to cosplay as a preheated oven, ensuring that my already overheated brain now has to deal with actual heat too. Cooking? Absolutely not. I took one look at the kitchen and noped out. Even making a simple breakfast felt like too much commitment. So here I am sitting with green tea and fruits. The tea is pretending to cleanse my soul while the fruits are looking at me like, we are nutritious but we can't fix your life, babe. Just when I was feeling down, the universe said, hold up, I got you. Enter a package from Kushal's. Lately, I have been obsessed with silver accessories. I saw a lovely earring at their store, but I exercised my self-control and walked away. But then, I dreamt about them wearing these earrings looking beautiful. That was Universe 1, me 0. The next morning, as I was still battling temptation, I got a divinely timed notification. Rupees 500 off. That's Universe 2, me 0. Clearly, destiny wanted me to own these. So, I took the financially responsible route and convinced myself that since it's silver, it's an investment. Stocks, mutual funds, nah. I'm diversifying my portfolio with earrings. I cannot wait to style them and pretend like an indie main character. Since I was already in the indie vibe, I pulled out my lovely red cotton kurta that I stitched last year. I added some silver accessories because obviously I had to commit to the aesthetic. Sometimes putting on nice clothes and red lipstick is just a way to gaslight my brain into thinking everything is fine. Suddenly, I wasn't a girl questioning life. I was an artist, a creator, a fashion visionary, in my own head at least. Now, I'm all excited to sew something. I have got my husband's old jeans, the mission, turn them into mini skirt. Because why buy new clothes when you can creatively upcycle old ones? Now, the real question is, do I need one pair or two? I could probably make it work with one, but the good thing is I have two jeans in similar shades, so let's see. Using the basic miniskirt pattern, I have cut out pattern with panels by removing darts. Alright, time to place these patterns on the jeans and see how it all fits together. Turns out there is no space for margin. So now here I am ripping open the entire pant leg like I'm performing a denim surgery. This took way too much time. Next, I went ahead and opened all the seams and pressed it well. Now comes the real deal. Place all the patterns and cut them out. Starting with the front part, carefully sew all the panels together. Repeat the same process for the back. Oh yeah, don't forget to overlock all the panels before sewing them together. Otherwise, they're gonna unravel like we do on our mood swing days. Once you're done sewing, press all the seams well. Yep, you gotta put them in their place, just like we do with people once we hit maturity. And just like that, I was starving. So I decided to make puffed rice upma because it's easy, flavorful, and most importantly, quick to make.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no can weather any storm.
Lately, I have been loving simple and flavorful foods like salad, upma, sauteed veggies, soups, and all that wholesomeness. Basically, I have entered my minimalist food era. Now, I just want food that's light and fresh. Back to sewing. I placed both front and the back panels together, making sure the right sides were facing each other. Then sew the right side, and on the left side we will sew a zipper. Now, sewing a zipper is basically a test of patience and precision. One wrong move and suddenly sewing is not therapy anymore. It's a crime scene. That's why I always put up a loose hand stitch before sewing it down. Time to check the zipper. This is the moment when my heart manifests for it to work flawlessly. This part gives anxiety like a first date. Will it glide smoothly? Will it get stuck halfway? Will it betray me in the most dramatic way possible? Luckily, it looks perfect. If you can't see the zipper, that means you have won the battle. This is the sewing equivalent of blending your foundation so well that people think you have naturally flawless skin. Invisible but effective. Now let's add the belt. At first I thought let's make a brand new belt, and then I realized why create extra work when you already have a perfectly good one. So in the spirit of zero waste and sustainability, I decided to use the belt that came with the pants. I lined it up, trimmed off the excess on both the sides and sewed it down. Now comes the final step, folding the edges of the skirt and sewing them down. Technically, I could just leave them raw and it would look effortlessly cool like those distressed denim. But nope, my fabric had this weird folding mark that refused to mind its own business. So in the interest of keeping things neat, I decided to sew it down. And just like that, my DIY mini skirt is done. From husband's old jeans to a chic little number. Now, time to try it on and manifest that it fits perfectly. Oh, before that, I wanted to take a break, so me and my husband went out to have mango shake. Came back home to this gorgeous sky. Honestly, nature is so pretty and best of all, completely free to see. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just vibes. I should start romanticizing free things more often. Anyway, here is the end result. It fits so well that even I had a moment of wait, did I actually make this? Honestly, if I don't tell people, no one would ever guess this was once a pair of old jeans living a very different life. It has officially entered its glow up era. And since this turned out so well, I'm officially unstoppable. I have got 2 more of my husband's old jeans, which will be transformed into a dress. So stay tuned, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and if you did not like it, drop a comment instead. Let's connect on the dark side.